Hi there. Are you sick and weary of trying to earn enough money? Do you feel trapped in a never-enough loop and wish you could live the life of your dreams instead? I've got some fantastic news for you, so pay attention. It may surprise you to learn that the words you use today have the power to increase your fortune. It is real. You can finally attain the fortune you've always desired with only 3 easy words. However, I have a question for you before we do that. Are you brave enough to genuinely believe in these things and express them with confidence? Are you prepared to use the law of attraction to your life? It's not just about saying these words. You have to live them with all your heart. Eric Butterworth, an American writer and speaker, believed in our power to co-create our own reality. Are you ready to tap into that power and change your life? You possess the power to use your ideas and consciousness to change your life. In Eric's view, God is a creative energy that permeates everything rather than existing outside of us. Visualize a strong energy pulsing both around and within you. This amazing energy is directly connected to each and every one of us, opening doors to limitless possibilities. And where does this extraordinary voyage begin? It starts inside your head. Embrace the limitless possibilities all around you and let go of your restrictive notions. Picture a treasure chest filled with wonderful things like opportunities, love, and success. The key to unlocking this treasure is in your thoughts. Shift from thinking there's not enough to believing there's plenty. The law of attraction is like a powerful magnet, drawing in exactly what you think and feel. It's amazing, isn't it? Science tells us that everything, even your thoughts and feelings, is made of energy. When you emit positive energy, it starts to shape your world. Eric Butterworth had a simple yet profound idea about thinking and feeling. It's about being in tune with your mind, body, and heart. Think of it as finding a calm and happy place filled with love, joy, and success. It's not just about money and possessions. It's a way of living and thinking that welcomes all the good things into your life. The law of attraction works its magic when you align your thoughts, emotions, and energy with what you desire. When you radiate positive vibrations, especially when it comes to money, the universe responds in kind. It's like a give and take relationship. Let me share a powerful story to illustrate this. Once, a young person sought wisdom from a wise monk. The monk did something unexpected. He briefly submerged the young person's head underwater. The young one was confused and upset, but then asked, "Why did you do that?" The monk replied, "What did you want most when underwater?" The young person said, "To breathe, of course." The monk explained a deep truth. Wisdom is like an unquenchable thirst for knowledge, just as the need for air is when you're running out of breath. It's a constant desire to learn, seek answers, and grow. Now, let's talk about prosperity and how it's connected to our mindset. Prosperity and poverty are like 2 different paths. One leads to having little, and the other leads to having plenty. Remember, this division is a trick of the mind. Our thoughts and intentions shape our world. So, if we want to bring in money or achieve any other goal, we must see the bigger picture. Everything in our lives is interconnected. Your financial challenges often reflect your inner world. Your thoughts and feelings are like a mirror that reflects your inner consciousness in your external circumstances. When you feel overwhelmed or something doesn't seem right, it's because you're out of sync with the flow of abundance. Now, let's dive into the realm of money. Have you ever felt the weight of not having enough or doubted your worthiness for financial abundance? We've all been there. But here are 3 magical words that can free you from these negative feelings. I accept, I deserve, I allow. Speak these words with confidence, and watch the transformation begin. Step 1 is to welcome abundance into your life. The universe wants to give you abundance. It's not just talk, it's real. By focusing on prosperity and abundance, you connect with positive energy. This abundance is not just a dream. It's becoming a reality every day. Step 2 is to affirm your worth. Recognize that you are an essential part of the universe. By acknowledging your unique value, you can break free from negative thoughts that hold you back. The third step involves making contact with the spiritual realm and positive energy. When you go towards abundance, this link can be your source of support and direction. The key is to be mindful. Be appreciative of what you already have and direct your thoughts and energies towards successful results. Do something, and do it ASAP. For dreams to come true, action is required. Remember that riches and money are just manifestations of the divine element that makes up the entire cosmos. It can come into your life more readily if you accept it and acknowledge its existence.